Hi everybody, welcome back to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. In this video, I'm going to show you a new calculation that I just recently learned from a YouTube video, which is compound annual growth rate. And a person showed this as how much their net worth has grown over the last 10 years. Well, I've only been retired 5 years, so I wanted to know how much has my net worth grown as a percentage in each of the 5 years. Now, what this does is it gives you the actual medium number. So, for example, it might say for each of these 5 years, you've had a 10% growth rate or a 15% growth rate. And I, as a nerd, wanted to look this up. So I found calculators that can do this. And I will show you these calculators, but I will also put them in the show notes so that you can run these calculations for yourself. And basically what you do is you put in your beginning net worth and you put in your current net worth. And then you put the number of years since that beginning net worth number and the ending current net worth number. And that will give you your annual percentage. So what I had to do was I had to go back and figure out when did I start tracking net worth, because I did not always know this. So even though I've been keeping track of my debt and trying to pay it off since 2010, it wasn't until 2017 that I learned about net worth, because I didn't really have a net worth, so it just never occurred to me and I never saw any videos on it. But in 2017, I learned about net worth and I started trying to figure it out. And I was looking at my spreadsheet and I did a horrible job at calculating my net worth. And it's grown more sophisticated over the years. And in my next video, I'm going to talk to you about how I calculate my pension value and add that to my net worth. So today I have two net worths. I have one with my pension value and one without my pension value. But for this video, I wanted to show you that my retirement account with the federal government, when I quit my job in 2020, was $347,383. Now my net worth on that date when I quit my job was $260,209. My net worth was less than my entire retirement account. So I wanted to see, since then, how much of a net worth has grown during these 5 years. When I ran it through the calculator, it came out to more than 20% per year that my net worth has grown. And so I was very happy with that. And that's what I wanted to show you in this video. I also wanted to show you that from January 2020, what I did was I took my retirement account down from $347,383. That same federal government retirement account now has $1,304 in it. I took it down to almost nothing. Part of the money I put into this house, part of the money I loaned out on real estate investments, and I'm still getting some of that money back. But what I'm doing is my current retirement accounts with various different colleges, plus those real estate loans, is now $289,446. I'm trying to get back to where I was with the retirement account 5 years ago of $347,383. And so that's why I'm saving 70% of my money in 2025. I am rebuilding my retirement account, even though my net worth total has gone up in 5 years more than 20% per year. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.